Alright guys, so you guys are now entering into a week into my rehealing my skin. So y'all know I have eczema, I have bad eczema, breakouts, flare-ups, all that stuff. So the weather been crazy in Texas, so my skin has been doing any and everything, and out of nowhere my dark spots started coming back. So I've been using my eczema cream every day. Of course, it still burns. I'm using not the steroid, but the what is it called? The topical ointment. And it's been healing a lot, but now it's starting to flake up. And it's starting to get dark. I'm starting to get dark spots around my mouth again. I have on makeup right now, but I'm finna take it off. But I did look it up so that I can have the actual term. So it's called how do you say that? Never mind. Post-inflammatory pigmentation. So basically, after the eczema flare-up subsides, your skin either gets lighter or darker. So basically, they say with darker skin or skin with more melanin, normally it'll become more darker. So they also say when your eczema is like really flaring up or whatever, when you scratch it, it releases melanin, which makes you end up having post-inflammatory pigmentation or hyperpigmentation. So I'm recording this intro actually on day 3 because I looked a hot mess the other days, but just wanted to do a little intro, let y'all know what's going on, what we're doing here, and it's just a little experiment to see if it's actually gonna work this time, because the same thing doesn't work every time. So I'm back. This is day 3. I've been struggling, y'all. I got the flu. I haven't done my mask in like 2 days, but I'm just resuming my treatment. So I don't even know what day this is, but I'm just resuming. But I feel like it didn't really get worse or better since I haven't done it. I've been consistently putting my eczema butter on my face, so we're just gonna continue on with the turmeric mask. And yeah, if you guys are interested in my nails, DIY Gel X set, make sure y'all go check out that tutorial. It's a part of a new DIY series. Whenever I feel like I want to try something, or I feel like there's something that I want to try, I'm just gonna try it. And that's what we're gonna do. Currently getting everything together for the mask, and I'm feeling a little bit better, so I'm just gonna do it because I've been wanting to do it. I just didn't have the energy. The day before yesterday, I was so freaking nauseous. My head was hurting so bad, my throat was hurting so bad, I couldn't even talk. We were struggling over here, so I'm definitely feeling better. Am I completely better? No, my throat is definitely still hurting, but better to the point where I can talk. In a sense, we're back. I hope you guys are enjoying this new content. At this point, I'm in a point in my life where I'm just gonna post whatever I want to post. If I want to do wigs, I'm gonna do wigs. If I want to post natural hair, I'm gonna post natural hair. If I want to post my butt crack, I'm gonna post my butt crack. I mean, I'm not really gonna post my butt crack, but y'all get what I'm saying. Definitely still trying to love myself through yet another eczema breakout. I'm still that girl. Whether I do or do not have eczema scars on my face, and that's just that. I'm just leaving it on for 20 minutes. Just letting it soak in or whatever. So I'll see. Depending on how the ending results are, even though it's not consistent days, but our little trial and error for the turmeric mask, if it's not giving what it's giving, we're gonna try something else. I don't know what that's gonna be, but we'll see. But we're gonna combat this eczema together. So Alright guys, so I'm here for my ending and final thoughts as far as my turmeric challenge for my face. I don't have anything on my face as of right now. In the video, hopefully you guys can see that I definitely did see a difference as far as the scars lightening. Like I said in my previous eczema videos before, I will link those down in the description box. Basically that the turmeric has lightening properties, and if I'm consistent with it, usually my face ends up clearing up a huge amount. I usually do take turmeric pills as well so that the turmeric can work from the inside out as well, but I ran out, so I do have to get more. But like I said, I do take a turmeric supplement, and I just try to, you know, stay up on my anti-inflammatory medicine and keep my skincare kind of clean, as far as like a clean skincare regimen, so that I don't irritate my skin in any way, shape, or form. Those are pretty much my results for, I don't even know how many days I did in total, but overall I think it did an amazing job. If you guys want my current skincare routine for my eczema prone skin, let me know. I will do a separate video for you guys. For Texas weather right now is very sometimey. It's hot as heck one day and then the next day it's freezing cold. So the dry air, as well as like my diet and stuff like that, I forgot to mention that I have not been eating, or I started eating the things that I stopped eating as far as for my eczema, like red meat, just in like foods that cause inflammation in the body, period. Like I've definitely started back eating all that stuff. I've been eating a lot of like sandwiches like with processed meat, stuff like that. So definitely, probably since I had this little breakout, we'll go back to that regimen so that I don't have as many flare-ups anymore, because recently I feel like I've been having them a lot more. But like I said, I will link all of my other eczema videos down in the description box. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little turmeric challenge, basically trying to show you guys how I lighten up my eczema scars, or just the darkening that happens on my skin after I have a really bad eczema breakout. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one, and I love you guys. Bye.